Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Gemini Zodiac sign. Let's begin by sketching two parallel vertical lines on your paper. Next, connect the top ends of these lines with a gentle, horizontal curve. Do the same for the bottom ends, creating a symmetrical, open shape. This initial structure forms the foundational Roman numeral 2, representing the twins of Gemini, and sets up our drawing perfectly. Now, let's add the crucial connecting bar. Draw a short, straight horizontal line that bridges the gap between your two vertical lines. Make sure this bar is positioned roughly in the middle, equidistant from both the top and bottom curves you've already drawn. This central element is key to the Gemini symbol, representing the connection and duality of the twins. With the basic structure in place, it's time to refine those curves. Go over your initial top and bottom curves, making them smoother and more fluid. Pay attention to maintaining a consistent arc and width for both, ensuring they mirror each other nicely. This step is all about achieving a clean, elegant look and enhancing the overall symmetry of your Gemini symbol. For our final step, let's clean up and finalize your Gemini sign. Carefully erase any light sketch lines or stray marks that are no longer needed. Then, go over your refined lines, darkening them to give your symbol a crisp, finished look. Take a moment to review your drawing, ensuring it has good balance and all elements are complete. You've successfully drawn the Gemini Zodiac sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.